Welcome to TWAdair Art. My name is TWAdair, and today I would like to show you what it looks like inside of a semi-functional, very budget, anybody can start a YouTube channel or do art studio. Also, it's my birthday.
TWAdair Art.
Hello again. For starters, today is my 30th birthday. I know, I'm old. My birthday's on New Year's Day, so year after year, all of you celebrate my birthday, whether you realized it or not. That's actually the reason for this holiday. Now you know. You're welcome. So anyway, the purpose of this video, like I said at the beginning and in the title, I'm gonna do what all the cool YouTubers are doing and show off my studio. This is one of the few angles you're probably used to seeing if you're familiar with my wonderful little channel. If not, you will be. Hit the subscribe button and watch my entire catalog of videos. That makes it sound like there are a lot of them, an entire catalog. There are only like 5 videos, so it's totally manageable. You might as well like all of them while you're at it, and hit the bell button too. Thank you for doing that, so go ahead and hit a like on this one too. I mean, you've already done the rest of them. I'll wait just a second. Thank you, now you're a true fan. There are a couple other angles that I often use in my videos, and that's all really that you ever see of my YouTube studio. In this video, we're gonna change that. You're gonna get to see the man behind the curtain, so to speak, except there is no man and there is no curtain. You're gonna see the man behind the bow tie. We have this angle so I can do a whole lot more movement and be able to have a lot more going on for more activity. Then we have this angle. Then there's this angle, which I use when I need more space for shenanigans, and I get as close as I can to a full body shot. And lastly, we have this angle where you're gonna see me produce a lot more artwork. If I need to do anything with a brush, I'm doing it here on this super useful easel. Now, before we get back to the tour, I thought it'd be fun if I show you all the stuff that I hide out of the way before I start recording. And the reason I wanna show you that is because I'm pretty disorganized, and it just kind of emphasizes how tight the space is that I use for my studio, and that I don't have anywhere to put a lot of this stuff. So I have to hide it and just keep moving things around before I want to record something. For example, these things under my table, like this chalk, I have a video and created a fun commission piece. I'll link it in the card and in the description. Same with these items right behind my desk. I move them out of frame so they're unseen, but sometimes I don't get it quite right, and you can see a glimpse of this stuff. I'll link to the creation of this Dungeons and Dragons map too, which is currently my most watched video. You're probably getting a lot of hoarder vibes from this space so far, but that's not the case at all. I just have nowhere to put this stuff. Anyway, let's move on, but first I should probably mention that my wife shares the space with me too. She uses it for gaming and creating cosplay. She also does a lot of other fun little creative projects, like this cat mug and various other creations and cosplay you'll see throughout this video. One day, maybe I can convince her to do a video with me. I think we can make something fun. Onward with the tour. As I pan this camera, you will see the areas of this space that you have not seen before. My painting area is likely familiar to you, but it's part of the studio space nonetheless. In the background of many of my videos, you can see the stack of pop figures. I need a better place to put them, but I like having some personal flair in my area. This is an impressive wooden hand my wife made for a D&D cosplay. You can actually wear this thing. The character is a cat person. For those of you who play Dungeons & Dragons, you will recognize this as a tabaxi.
I'll take a picture. Picture, please.
Okay. Very photogenic. What else do I stash in here? Lighting and other storage. It works! Many things are stored under stuff. Check out this beautiful desk made out of a countertop and bricks. Pretty awesome, I know. This space is used for random projects like this Pinot head. Pinot is my cat. This is the beautiful card that Lily just made me for my birthday. Here, go ahead and read it.
Okay. You are a great daddy, TWAdair 2020. Happy birthday and Meowie New Year. And there is the beautiful, fantastic theme here.
That is the beautiful card, Meowie New Year.
Yes,
And we have Peanut, of course.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, you are so welcome.
Let me see what you made. Come here, Wonder.
Come here, Miss Strawberry.
Taylor made me this beautiful card.
It's to have your birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have your birthday. It's to have your birthday in the picture.
I have such sweet little girls. I couldn't have asked for a better birthday present. And that was the studio space. Certainly nothing impressive, but it doesn't have to be. It allows me to do what I need to, and you can do the same thing with any area in your house. Don't wait to pursue a goal. Take what you have and just do it. I'm not claiming that my videos are top notch, and I'm learning as I go. It's a process, it's a journey. Watching videos and seeing how other people do it helps, but it's not until you actually get in there and get your hands dirty before you actually learn something and get better. It's a great way for me to show off my art where I can be creative in more ways than one. There's a lot of room for improvement in this studio, the lighting especially. The lighting in here is horrid, as you're probably noticing watching this video. And that's most likely the thing that I'm upgrading next. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you have a wonderful 2020 and enjoy my birthday celebration. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, this is the best opportunity as any to come up with a New Year's resolution. Do it right here with you guys. My New Year's resolution for 2020 and going forward is to stay focused. I tend to go all over the place with my crazy ideas, but I think I want to try to stay focused and be on one thing and follow that path on that whatever task I choose to focus on and allow it to grow into something bigger. That's my resolution. And what New Year's resolutions are you guys shooting for this year? Let me know in the comments. Do you have any art goals? What is it you're after? Let's talk about it, and until next time, I guess I'll just see you in the next one. It's a new year, it's a new journey, it's also a new decade. The world is our oyster. Take it, do what you want with it, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. You're gonna see the man behind the bow tie. You're gonna see this guy behind the bow tie.